Hello everybody, this is Sayed Option. Just going over what's going on in the market right now, midday. Let's see, Apple is bouncing maybe. Is it? Kind of. Okay, so looking at Apple right now, the 1 min is a little bit giving a sign of a bounce. The 5 min looks okay, but the 15 and 30 is still very bearish. The TTM is squeezed and the MACD doesn't look good at all. It's possible to get back to 132.58, but it's not gonna be super bullish unless we see that golden cross on 15 min. But the stochastic fast, it's giving some sign. But because it's a low volume, I'm not expecting anything special to happen on Apple. Amazon, let's just show this level on Apple one more time. So Apple, if it's gonna go down, I'm looking at 130.26 and the worst case scenario 128.24. Amazon lost its bullish momentum, and all the way before market opened, the MACD was already downward on the 30-minute 1 hour, and right now, if it's gonna go down, if it was a high volume, it wouldn't be possible to go much lower. But right now, it's holding a little bit, slowly going down, and 5 minutes giving MACD is giving a golden cross here, but it still has a chance. So I think maybe it's gonna retest there next week 3200. We'll see what's gonna happen after that. Nvidia, nothing special there. In the morning, I think was good, but Baba right now is missing this level 233. So if it's gonna miss that, possible 224 next. Right now the 15 and 30 doesn't look that great. What else we have here? So when you go to shop I didn't touch actually, but came and touched this level 1134. Right now is holding that level. Netflix was the beauty. In the morning, as you noticed, when it opened, it went to 530 and right away jumped above it, and from the morning was very bullish. You can see here it took over this level and fast went to the next level 61.8. If you have any question, just post in the comment, I will check it. And my target was 542. It met it, went a little bit higher, but it pulls back and right now it's standing there. So if it's gonna run higher, we're looking at 552 to come. It looks good to go long here for maybe ER play. We shall see. Tesla was the beauty, still running. Possible to, it is possible end of today 725 if you're playing Lotto, because the 15 and 30 looks super bullish. You see, like if you look here on Netflix, the 15 min already gave a dark blue, but the Tesla is still not giving a sign that it's gonna pull back hard, even if it gave this one. Let me look here 1 second. So we're looking at so anyway, Tesla in the morning starts going down, and then what it held 693, and then once it made a V recovery and took over 705, which was the all-time high. Before our market open was 705. It took over that and it starts running, and next possible level is, as I mentioned, is 725. So that should come, if not today, maybe Monday. And then after that, we're looking at 745. Right now, it looks good to go long because daily is golden crossing too. That's something very interesting. If when daily goes golden cross, you don't know how far it's gonna go. Anyway, my long targets, as I mentioned, is 745 and 811 max. After that, I have to draw a new Fibonacci. So FB was very interesting in the morning, was very bullish in the morning, but it went up and pulled back very hard. I think it's affecting some news, that's why it's coming down. Anyway, 15 and 30 doesn't look good, so forget about that. Microsoft, same thing, it can go back to the level 219. 1530 is very bearish, so we're looking at Google, nothing interesting there, I did not touch that. AMD, nothing interesting. I was expecting actually AMD and Nvidia have a better run because MU had a run, so they should affect that, but let's see what's next. So SPY, is getting a little bit bearish, but it held it at 371. It went below it and came back. But because it's a low volume day, there's no direction, so it's just dead market today. Roku, usually Roku and Netflix follow each other, but apparently not today. Boeing nothing. mRNA Bidu, I had a target of 224.35. It met it before market, but it was very interesting. As soon as market opened, it starts dropping. So maybe couple day rest for Bidu and then back to running again, because this is all-time high is 284. So we're looking at 238, 261, 284. So this possible. We shall see. But right now, 15 and 30 doesn't look good. Even if you buy calls, oh, we got the first yellow bar right now. So maybe we get a run into close. You never know. Airbnb, nothing special right now. Neo was following Tesla, but I think it slowed down. Yeah. So what else? MU, all-time high in 20 years. All-time high is in 2000, I think, and that was 97.5. So if it gets over 76.78, possible to get there. Year earning is next week. We shall see. INTC, went green. Okay, that's interesting. I missed this one. Had a fast run. That's pretty much it. But it's a low volume day, so even something moves, it's not going to be sustainable. It's not going to be a solid run right from now on. In the morning was Netflix and Tesla was good. Right now, nothing special going on. So even Tesla, yeah, I mean, still, we should see if it gets over to 720. I think at least it's gonna hit 720. Always people love round numbers, and then possible 725. If not, you never know. Maybe pulls back to 705. That's pretty much it. If no question, we go. That's it. Happy New Year. Oh, some question. Happy New Year. Thank you. Good stuff. PT and AMD. Okay, I got some questions. AMD. Yeah, market is there. So if you have any question, let me know. I think AMD. I have the level of 92.87, but if you want to go long, we're looking at 95. Let me look at the monthly chart. Maximize monthly chart, weekly max. So 168 level is 95.86. So if it gets over 95.86, we're looking at possible. I mean, last time it resisted to go above this level 97. This level I have. Let me just change this one. Okay. So we're looking at 99.16. If it gets over that, we're looking at 104, 109. 109 would be my target long PT. But super long, we're looking at 132, and then if you're very, very long, 155. Thanks for doing this, Ed. Video, please, when you get a chance. Video, I explained, maybe couple day rest, but it's still, it has to get above 225. It went too fast to yesterday, so it has to fill the gap. Apple is getting interesting. Okay, thought on China over next year. China, it's a lot of uncertainty, but Biden favors China, so it can be good for them, to be honest. So I think it's gonna be great for them. Tesla is attacking your levels from yesterday. Same target is still. Yeah, Tesla, as I explained. Let me change this. I explained that 725 possible to come, and then if this volume, I think if more volume comes in on next week, we're gonna maybe if it's gonna be like crazy run on Tesla that we had before, 800 possible to come. So we can look at FTCH. FTCH, what is that? I have no idea. I'm just gonna tell you based on chart what it is. FTCH, it looks like at the high because the daily already get a dead cross. 4 hour doesn't look good. If you're already in it, you better get out. The Fibonacci, I think I have to draw it again, but not familiar with this name. but right now intraday doesn't look good, and even for long, probably this is the top. Top 3 indicator strategy. Yeah, top 3, TTM squeeze, MACD, Bollinger. I mean, they're all combination of together, stochastic fast, everything. Let me take a look at Apple. Apple wants to bounce, maybe. Is it bouncing? Okay, let's see if it's gonna take over the mid BB on 5 min. If it does that, that's possible a run. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Happy New Year, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a good one. Bye bye.